this week has carried more meaning than you realize. Even in moments of doubt, God has been working quietly within you. Growth does not always feel dramatic. Sometimes it feels like calm release or relief. Today is not about striving, but resting in what God has already done. Allow your heart to settle. This prayer marks a gentle closure, reminding you that God has been faithful through every step of this journey. God does not rush the work He completes in you. What unfolded this week was intentional, layered, and meaningful. Some answers came as clarity, others as peace. Both are signs of His presence. This moment invites you to acknowledge what has shifted within you, even subtly. God is not finished, but this chapter is closing with care, stability, and reassurance that He is guiding your steps forward. You may not be able to name everything that changed this week, but your spirit knows. There is less tension, more space to breathe, and a quieter trust forming within you. This is the result of God's steady work. Nothing was wasted. Every prayer, pause, and reflection mattered. As this week closes, allow gratitude to replace pressure and let your heart rest in what God has gently restored. As this week comes to a close, God invites you to stop striving and simply be present. You do not need to review every detail or measure your progress. God has already seen it all. This moment is about rest, not evaluation. Let your soul settle into the peace that comes from knowing God has been holding you steady, even when you were unaware of His quiet work. God's work this week may not have been loud or obvious, but it has been real. Small shifts, subtle insights, and gentle peace are all evidence of His presence. This season shows that progress is not always dramatic. Even quiet restoration is powerful. Trust that God is building resilience, clarity, and calm inside you, preparing you for the week ahead with wisdom and steady guidance. As the week concludes, God is reminding you that rest is part of progress. Pausing does not mean you are behind. It means you are aligning with His timing. Trust the subtle ways God has moved in your heart and mind. Let gratitude replace worry, and let your spirit absorb the quiet victories. God's faithfulness has been present in every unseen step you took this week. God is completing a work in you this week that may only be fully seen later. Every moment of reflection, prayer, or pause has contributed to your spiritual growth. Trust that the quiet work is just as significant as the visible changes. Today, let yourself rest, knowing that God's guidance has been steady, your steps have been protected, and His faithfulness remains unwavering. Even when the week felt overwhelming, God was present in every step. He has been shaping your patience, strengthening your faith, and guiding your decisions quietly. Today, reflect on what has shifted internally rather than externally. God's work is deep and lasting. Allow your heart to rest in His faithfulness, knowing He has been leading you gently, wisely, and with perfect timing. God's presence has been constant this week, even when you didn't feel it. Every quiet moment, every small choice, every reflection has been part of His plan. This season is ending, but the lessons, peace, and trust you gained remain. Let go of lingering worries and rest in the assurance that God has faithfully guided you through every step, shaping you for the week ahead. As the week comes to an end, take a moment to acknowledge your growth. God has been faithful in guiding your thoughts, calming your heart, and providing subtle clarity. Even small victories matter. This is a time to rest, reflect, and celebrate His quiet work. Trust that God's guidance will continue and carry forward the peace and wisdom gained into the days ahead. God's work in your life this week may have been quiet, but it is powerful. Every moment of patience, reflection, and surrender has strengthened you. This is a season of preparation, not perfection. Let your heart rest in His faithfulness. Carry forward the lessons, the calm, and the peace you received, trusting that God will continue to guide you gently into the new week with wisdom and grace. Take a deep breath and recognize that God has been shaping your heart and mind this week. Even moments that felt challenging were part of His plan. Rest in the knowledge that growth doesn't always look dramatic. Trust the subtle ways He has moved in your life and step into the coming week with calm confidence, knowing that His guidance continues steadily and faithfully. As this week concludes, remember that every small step you took mattered. God was present in your prayers, in your moments of reflection, and even in your silent struggles. His work is not always visible, but it is Hayao. Allow your heart to rest fully, trusting that God has guided you faithfully. Carry this peace into the coming week, strengthened and prepared for what lies ahead. As this prayer comes to an end, know that God has been faithful throughout your week. You are not alone, and every step, pause, and reflection has been guided. If this message spoke to your heart, stay connected. Write in the comments, God strengthened me this week. Subscribe for daily prayers and return whenever you need peace, clarity, and reassurance. God is with you, leading you gently into the next chapter.